Hi, Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Okay, my name is Muhammad Shazwan bin Basirun. I'm third year student from UTHM, University Tun Hussein of Malaysia, from Faculty Civil Engineering, Build and Environment. Okay, for this presentation, I will explain about the case study about the settlement from course the Geotechnic 2. Of all, we take a look at the meaning of the settlement. Okay, settlement is vertical downward movement or displacement caused by a change in stress or the change in soil volume due to the compressive deformation beneath a structure. Okay, compressive deformation generally results from a reduction in void volume accompanied by the rearranging of soil grain and compression of the material in void. Okay, now we take a look at the type of settlement. Okay, first mode of occurrence consists of three types, which is a immediate settlement or constant volume settlement or undrained settlement. For the second one, a primary consolidation settlement, and the last secondary consolidation settlement. Okay, for the second one is permanency. Permanency consists of two types, which is permanent or irreversible. Second one, the temporary or recoverable or reversible settlement. And the last one for the type of settlement is uniformity, which is also consists of two, which is uniform settlement and differential settlement. And for this case study, I have chosen the location at the shop lot Subang Perdana Shah Alam Selangor. The type that I determined for that location is tipping settlement. It occur on one of two of the building at the shop lot. Okay, for this case study, that I choose for the location, which is a tipping settlement. Okay, tipping settlement when one portion of structure settle down to a certain depth. Okay, it may lead to a crack in the construction and induce the collapse to the entire structure. Okay, from the picture we can see the house uh, have moved from the original level, and tipping settlement often without crack, which is no crack. Okay, we took a look about the cause of foundation settlement. Okay, first, due to the leakage of the sewage water. Second, inadequate bearing capacity of the soil. Third, improper compaction or consolidation. And the fourth, more vegetation root near the foundation. And the fifth, external vibration occurring near the foundation. The second one is the structure will settle down in case of CPEC occurrence. And the last one is when the structure was built on loose soil without a proper type of foundation. Okay, now we took a look at the picture at location that I took. Okay, as you can see, this is original ground level, and this one is a settle road level. Okay, we can see that the slab have a hollow underneath the slab. Okay, same for the second picture that I took. We can see that the slab has underneath the slab has a hollow because of the settlement, because the settle road level. Special thanks to the TS Dr. Noor Ashiki binti Muhammad Noor for the guidance for this case study. And thank you for watching.